Alright my love, so this is the grand finale of Pink Week. I hope you guys enjoyed all of the pink looks. I hope you guys enjoyed the extra ones that I threw out as well. So we're gonna close this off with a banger. I hope, I didn't even try it on, so I hope today's outfit is gonna close off my birthday week, girl birthday month, feeling amazing. Yes, I really hope you guys are gonna like the outfit. I really want to do something, of course, like pink on the eyes, but I want to add like other colors. So I was like, I kept thinking of pink. I'm like, no, I want to do something different. So I was like, okay, let me look through my palettes. Let's see if I can get inspired by this palette. And I grabbed this particular palette, and just the outside of it, I was like, yes, I want to do a look using something like this. I want to do like a pink and blue type of look. Like, I love the packaging of this actual palette. So as you can see, this is the Cabana Club palette by ColourPop, and I don't think I ever used this palette. The color story is absolutely beautiful. Nice soft colors. There's a little bit of like deep dark colors in here as well, so I want to play with her. So let's create a little banger for pink theme and close this out correctly. And yeah, I pray this goes as planned. There's only like 2 pink shades in here. I definitely want to use this purple. It's definitely grabbed my attention. I like this blue. I might stay away from it because I don't want to be typical. I might add a little splash of yellow. I don't know. We've got some good neutral shades in here as well. So let's just see how this look is going to turn out. Of course, I'm going to zoom you guys in after I apply my brow bone highlight, which is going to be the eyeshadow color Buzzword by Ulta. I always apply this. I'm going to put this underneath my brow bone, and then I'm going to zoom y'all in. Okay, let's bring in some beautiful purple into this look. So I'm going to go in with this shade. I'm going to pop it right in the crease. Alright, so now I'm going to take this soft pink shade right here, and I'm just going to use this in the hopes of blending out that purple. I kind of had a feeling that it might be a little too dusty for my complexion. I still feel like I can still make it work, but it's definitely way too light for my complexion. Like, it's going to look very chalky. So what I have to do to make this work for my complexion, I got to actually mix the shades together, which is going to be that pink and that purple that I just used. Okay, so I added the blue because I wanted to deepen up my crease, but now I'm kind of like regretting it because I was trying to keep this look soft. I kept telling myself soft, but the moment I put it on this eye already off camera, I was like, damn, I got to do it now because I already did it. So yeah, and plus this blue don't even look blue. It looks like a darker purple. So I was trying to add a little bit more of, you know, colors involved in this look, but it didn't go that way. So I am just now filling in my cut crease part. I was showing you guys part of the steps, but the camera cut off. But I just clean it up with these Q-tips. Just clean it up with the makeup solution on it. And then once I have it on, I just go in with a nice, very fine brush that I got off of Amazon. This is what I use to outline my cut crease. And then I use this to fill it in. Oh, and then my mixture that I have is Glam Light and Juvia's shade 1 right now for the combo. Glam Light is in the shade Caramel. I just mix the 2 of them together and create my own little base. And I told myself I wasn't going to do a cut crease, but being that I add that purple, that dark blue, I felt like I had to because I kind of like messed up the look. I was like, I really did not want to go with this color, but it's here now, so let's try to play it off. Alright, so now for the lid, I definitely want to add this pink back to my lid because I don't see it in my crease at all, like at all. So I'm gonna go in with that shade, and I also want to go in with this shade as well. From different like angles, it does look like a metallic pink shade. And I also said I want to somehow put yellow. I don't know why I'm just leaning towards yellow and pinks together, but I'm gonna make it work. So let's go in with Bikini, which is that matte pink, and I'm gonna put this one towards the outer. And I feel like this color is gonna be a little bit more vibrant now that I'm using it as patting motions compared to me using that shade to blend out that purple. Kind of want more of this eyeshadow on my lid to kind of like go with my pink dress. All right, and now I'm gonna go in with that metallic pink shade, and I'm just gonna pat it right next to that matte. Oh, this is a very pretty shade. Oh my gosh. That looks good. I know you guys probably can't really tell the different formula shades, but this is freaking beautiful. I love ColourPop metallic shades too. Like, they're so creamy and easy to put on. And like I said, I'm going in now with that matte yellow to add a little bit something different to this look. And then I'm gonna go back in with that dark purple and kind of like just bring this outer crease into a closure. Okay, so I'm definitely in here for this look. I still want to add blue to this look for some reason now. I keep looking at that shimmery blue, but I think I'm gonna save that for another color theme week. Maybe blue, maybe colorful week, I don't know, but I think I want to just keep it like this. I'm just debating on what do I want to put on my bottom lash line. I feel like if that metallic blue, if it was matte, I think I definitely would have went ahead with it, but being that it's metallic, I really don't want to do that. And I feel like this dark blue is going to throw this look off, right? I don't know. Let me just do the rest of my face and I'll try to make my final decision. Okay, so I wanted to do things different because I feel like I always put black liner in my waterline. So I did go off camera with this ColourPop eyeliner pencil, and it is so creamy. Like, I'm really like adding more layers for no reason, but it is so creamy and so pretty. So now that I have that on, I'm definitely going to go in with a little bit more of my base that I still have on the remaining part of my back of my hands. And I'm just going to place a little bit of this as much as possible without covering up that pencil, because I want to add more of that purple shade in the crease. I want to add more of that purple shade down at my lash line. I just want to add a little bit more base here so it can gravitate to something. And like I said, I'm trying not to cover up that pink shade. So I'm going back in with that purple. I'm going to pat it right on the bottom lash line now. That looks amazing. I'm going to add one more layer of this cream pencil. That is gorgeous. Okay, I definitely feel like I need a pop. I need a pop real quick. Oh, I also picked up some, what is this? This is, I don't know. I'm going to be trying this out for the first time. It says peel off chunky glitter glue. Wait, what do you mean peel off? Hold up. Somebody didn't read the directions when they ordered stuff off Amazon. I'm going to add a little bit in my inner corner. I'm gonna let it get a little bit tacky. Shade I want to pop in my inner, I guess I'm gonna go along with this gold shade. I thought I was gonna bring yellow all the way down, but I'm not quite. You know what? No, let's do the yellow. I'm gonna do the yellow, and if I don't like it, I can just add that right on top. I don't think I need any metallic going on. I'm just gonna pop some lashes, and then we're gonna complete this look with a nice nude combo or pink combo. I don't know, but I might do pink, but I just took all the way out, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I said I want to do a pink lip. Ooh, my head is itching. So why not? Going in with my NYX pencil. Alright, and I got the lippie stick. I forgot I had this. This is the lippie stick by ColourPop, and I believe this was part of the Powerpuff Girl collection, I think, because I got the little pink stars. It doesn't say it. I'm not sure. I would just happen to go in my drawer and to see it. I was like, wait, why is it in this drawer? Because it was with my eyeliners and stuff. So I am mistaking this as an eyeliner. So let's give her a try. She's in the shade Carmela. I'm gonna pop her on. She's a little intense on the pale side, but I'm definitely gonna make this work. So I'm adding a little bit more on this lip applicator, and I'm just gonna blend my pencil and this lipstick together. And of course, you already know, I'm going in with ColourPop Lip Plumper. This is candy coated. I'm gonna add a little bit of gloss to help blend out this lip combo. Then I'm gonna go in with this. It's a pretty holographic lip gloss by ColourPop. I don't want to get the lip applicator dirty, so I'm just gonna put some in the back of my hand. Look at that. Y'all see that? It is so pretty. But I just want to add a little bit of like frostiness to my lips. Okay, so my camera's flashing. That's about to die. So I'm gonna quickly pop on my lashes and hope that this dress fits me, because I totally did not try it on, and I'll be right back. Let me show y'all the outfit really quick, because I am so happy that this outfit fit. I got it in a size extra large. I wasn't sure if it was going to fit. It is a little bit snuggums around the arms, but I am totally okay with that. But look at her. Okay, yes. Do y'all see the glory in this dress? I am in love with these little ruffles at the end. I absolutely love this dress. I love how this makeup is definitely complementing the dress. Like, it's giving what it's supposed to be giving. Okay, simple as that. Point blank, period, the end. Okay, and now for the look. The look is everything. I am in love with my lip combo today. Like, the lighting is not doing its justice when it comes to this holographic gloss. Like, it looks so beautiful in person. I just feel really pretty today, and I don't have a lot of those days. Even when I do put on makeup, I might feel like okay, but today I feel like really pretty. So I am here for this look. I love how this look turned out. That pop of pink liner. Yes. Okay, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look as well. Okay, sis. Okay. I was trying to give y'all some curls for today, but I don't know. I felt like the straight hair was giving more than the curls, so this is what I went for today. And these lashes. Okay, what lashes do I have on? Because these are cute. I definitely want to use them again. These are in the style Attention Seeker, okay, by Beauty Creation. Y'all know that's all I wear when it comes to the lashes. On my cheeks, I did put on my blush off camera, and I just went in with this pretty pink blush by Beauty Bakerie, popped her on, and then the highlight, I don't even know if y'all can tell, probably not, but I added a little bit of like glow. I felt I wanted to have some shimmers and stuff around this area, and of course my shoulders. So I went in with this iconic London illuminator. It's just a liquid illuminator. It looks like gold when you put it on, and it didn't really illuminate like I wanted it to be. So I did go in with a actual highlighter, and this is by the brand Koki. I never know how to pronounce it, but I'm showing you guys why it's in here because it's broken, so it's hard for me to open it to really show you. But it's a really pretty like gold highlighter. So I have that all over my body. I just use a big little brush like that, dipped it in there, and just kind of like spread it around. And I also have this on for a highlight as well. So that was everything I did off camera. I gotta be very cautious not to get this dress dirty because, you know, I'm cute, so I gotta be extra bougie today with this outfit. That's what I feel like. Like, hey, yeah, no. Everything is talking with the hands, show off the nails, you know. No, I'm okay. Thank you. And I hope you guys enjoy the pink theme week. This was really fun. I loved every single look. Like, I can't pick a favorite because they all was different and unique to me. But I can definitely pick a favorite outfit. It's her. This is her, okay? This was the way to close off my birthday month or birthday week, whatever y'all want to put it as, my pink theme week. I really do hope you guys enjoyed every single look. If you tuning in for the first time, you didn't catch my other looks, I do have a pink playlist, yes, girl-friendly playlist down at the description box, and of course along with all my other color themes that I did do, if you caught up on them. So make sure you guys check those out at the bottom. Have a little marathon with your girl. You know, if you're bored, go ahead, sit back and watch a little bit of videos of mine and play catch up if you like. I think that's pretty much it. Anything else? If y'all want to send me anything, I got a P.O. box. That's down the bottom. Cash at me. Want to send me $1? All that's down at the bottom. I really appreciate every single last any and everything from you guys. You guys are just amazing just from watching my videos and just showing support in that sense. So I just want to thank you guys so much for doing that. You guys are absolutely amazing. I'm just so happy right now. Like, okay, little bum. This pregnancy has been like my best pregnancy. I honestly feel my prettiest I've ever felt. And it's weird because I got a big old belly on me, but I feel like this pregnancy brought a different side of me. Like, I'm definitely feeling a lot more confident within myself, body-wise especially, and I've just been embracing every bit of everything about this pregnancy, the good, the bad, the ugly, all of it. And it's just been my best pregnancy, and I'm just truly happy that you guys are here on this journey with me, and I'm just truly blessed. So thank you guys again for watching. You guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys on my next color theme.